In a previous unit, we talked about freezing panes. We talked about if you were scrolling down through a worksheet, how sometimes you forget what was up here. You forget what you were looking at, what was the significance of the information. Well, the same thing can happen when you're printing it out. Let's see how many pages this normally would be. Let's go to View. We saw this before. Page Break Preview. And this is going to be page 1 and page 2. So when they get the page 2 printout, there's no information up here. There's no headers. All it is data. So somebody who's just looking at page 2 has absolutely no idea the significance of any of this information. Excel offers us a way to repeat the columns and rows on our printouts, and this will definitely show up on your exam. Once you know where it is, once you know what buttons to push, again, there's nothing complicated about this. It's just knowing what buttons to push and where to find them. We need to go to our page layout, like most of this stuff is located at, page layout, and in this situation, it's over here on print titles. Click on that. We get a dialog box that pops up. From here, we can pick what rows to repeat on the top, or we can pick columns to repeat on the left. In this case, I just want to see this. I just want to see this thing that says name, data 1, data 2, data 3. I want to see it printed out at the top of each page that we create. I'm going to click here, and then I'm going to select the row that I want to be repeated. You cannot select individual cells. It's the entire row. I'm going to click OK. And now, when I do a printout, it will reappear all the way through. Let's see a print preview of this. Click up here. I have print preview. I could have also gone back to File and gone to Print and seen the preview here. This is page 1 of 2. And here's page 2 of 2. So you see it's being repeated. And no matter how many pages I have, this top area, this top information will be repeated over and over and over again. Let's start once again from scratch. We want this to be repeated. We're going to go to page layout. We're going to go to print titles. We want the rows to repeat. We're going to select in that box. We're going to select the row we want. We click OK. We can go to File, Print. It'll show us a preview. And there it is. Very simple, like I said, to do once you know where the buttons are. Remember, it's print titles is where you're going to find it.